Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve this algebraic problem. So here we have x square minus 7x plus 1 that is equal to 0. Then we'll have to find the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 over x square, and that is divided by x square plus 1. Now first step for solution of this problem will be we'll write the expressions. It is given here is x square minus 7x plus 1 that is equal to 0. Now in the next step, we'll take this negative 7x in the right hand side. So our expression will be x square plus 1, and we'll write that is equal to 7x. Now from here we'll eliminate this x. For that we'll divide both sides by x. So in the left hand side we have x square divided by x plus 1 over x, and that is equal to 7x divided by x. So here x and x gets cancelled. So in the left hand side we have x, and this square value will be cancelled. So x plus 1 over x, that is equal to 7. Let us take this expression as equation 1. Now our next step will be we'll cube both sides. So we'll cube equation 1. So now left hand side we have x plus 1 over x, and we'll cube it. And in the right hand side 7 cube. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So it is a plus b and whole cube. The formula of it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube. So in place of a we have x, and in place of b we have 1 over x. So we'll write it as x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x times 1 over x, and in the bracket we have x plus 1 over x. So in the right hand side 7 cube is 343. Now we'll simplify it. Here x and x gets cancelled, and the value of this term, this is the equation 1, so value of this term is 7. Now we have x cube plus 1 over x cube, so we'll write x cube plus 1 over x cube. So the value of this term is 3 times 7 is 21. So we'll take this 21 in the right hand side, so it will be negative 21. So in the right hand side we have 343 and negative 21. So the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube will be 343, negative 21 will be 322. Let us take as equation 2. So friend, hope till here everything is clear. Now we'll write this expression. So here it is x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x square, and that is divided by, so here divided sign is given, so we'll write divided by x square plus 1. Now main thing to monitor, we have the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. Now if we'll divide this term by x, and if we'll multiply the x square by x, then we can get x cube. So here we will divide by 1 over x. Now in the denominator we have x square. So we have the value of x plus 1 over x. Now here also we will multiply by 1 over x, so that this 1 over x and this 1 over x will be cancelled. Now if we will multiply x square and 1 over x, we will get x, and here we will get 1 over x. Now let us simplify it. So x raised to the power 4 divided by x, that will be x cube plus, so here the x cube will be multiplied by this x, so it is 1 over x cube. So in the denominator we will have, now x square will be divided by x, so we'll get x plus here 1 divided by x will be 1 over x. So we have calculated the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube in equation 2. So value of this term is 322. So we'll write 322, and that is divided by x plus 1 over x. This is the value of equation 1, so it is 7. So we'll divide by 7. Now moving ahead, here 7 and 322 will be cancelled. 7 4 times is 28. So here remaining 4 and 2 42. 7 6 are 42. So value of this term is 46. So friend, the expression value this term we have calculated here is 46, and this is the answer of this expression. So friend, if anybody has any doubt, please write your doubts in the comment box and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.